to, like, lock Unikitty, Puppycorn, Lil'Petey out of the house in the rain. Ha ha ha. Let's carry them. Ugh, they're so heavy. Okay, now to throw them. Ha ha ha! One hour later.
Guys, I felt like I'm getting wet.
We agree, Lil'Petey.
And I think I'll sort of lock us out here in the rain. We have to beg him to let us in.
Toad, let us in now.
Nope, sorry you guys, I'm not gonna let you guys in.
But you have to. It's so cold and wet. Open the door now.
I said no, you guys. You guys are gonna be trapped in the rain for about 3 hours.
No, 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 no,
No, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no, no.
A few hours later. Okay, it's time to let them back in. Let me open the door. Hey guys, how is the rain? I guess they're not happy.
Toad, how dare you lock us out in the rain? That was not right at all.
That's it. You're grounded for 20 weeks. Go upstairs to your room right now.
Eagle victory.
Now we're going to take a shower to dry ourselves off from all of this water. We're all dry. Now we're going to watch PBS Kids.